Want to secure your home with a smart video doorbell? In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to install the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. Quick, simple, and with a reliable wired connection. Let's get started. Before starting, check that your transformer is rated 10 to 24 volts AC, 50 to 60 Hz, 10 to 40 volts amps. Press your old doorbell if the chime rings. Your system is compatible. Now, turn off the power at the breaker to stay safe during installation. Open your indoor chime box and find the terminals labeled Front and Transformer. Loosen their screws, then slide the two wires from the Pro Power Kit underneath and retighten. Stick the Pro Power Kit inside or next to the chime box using the provided adhesive, avoiding any moving bell parts. Connect the existing wires to the back of your Ring doorbell using wire extenders if needed. Mount it with the included screws, restore power, and wait for the light to turn on. Attach the faceplate, tighten the security screw, and complete the setup in the Ring app. And that's it! Your Ring Wired Doorbell Pro is now installed and ready to go. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.